Hi and welcome to BTMsoft. Here we will show you how to process payroll. Click Staff, Payroll, New Payroll Run. Select Pay Cycle. If you don't see your desired cycle, it means that none of the employees were set to be paid on that cycle. Select Payment Date. Enter start date or end date. Dates adjust automatically. If you want to change the date span, click Unlock Dates. You can process all active employees in your list or select only those with specific configurations. Empty payroll is for any additional or unusual payments. You can add employees later. Here you can check the latest updated and added employees. Below is a list of all draft payroll runs that you could go back to. Click Next to proceed.